This is a very, very exciting scientific project.
And that, according to John Haryu of the Energy and Environmental Research Center at UND, is all the deep borehole project is.
It's unfortunate that there's been a lot of misinformation out there about this effort.
Haryu was in Rugby this week arranging a public meeting to be held Monday where details of the plan will be explained and residents will get questions answered.
We're available and we wish to provide candid, accurate, scientifically valid information about not only what we're doing, but about what the intentions of this project are.
It's those intentions that have caused a stir in the Rugby area. The project is commissioned by the U.S. Department of Energy to drill 2 holes miles into rock formations lying beneath Pierce County. While the DOE request for proposal says the data collected may identify potential formations for the disposal of nuclear waste, Haryu says that's misleading.
They're saying these types of rocks. They're not talking about this location. They're not talking about North Dakota. They are talking about generically these types of rocks, these deep crystalline rocks that occur over much of the United States. Really what the project is about is the technology and the science, not about a location, and certainly there is no aspect of this project that is conducive to subsequent disposal of nuclear waste.
Haryu says it's important for people to know the EERC has not even started the application process for the drilling, and nothing can happen until the state legislature weighs in.
State law precludes the disposal of nuclear waste in the state of North Dakota without specific approval from both the House and the Senate. That's existing state law.
If the drilling actually happens, he says the holes will be refilled and capped and never used for nuclear waste storage. But he says it may answer questions about whether the type of rock formation under our feet would be suitable for waste disposal.
One of the possible outcomes would be that rocks of this type are suitable. Rocks of this type, as we've suggested, are present over much of the United States. The type of outcome that has been postulated as concerning people is exactly precluded, as I said, by state law. It's also precluded by the DOE's own siting process, where they use a community consensus approach, where properties would need to be elected by locals, which obviously that's not the case here.
The public meeting on the proposal is Monday from 4:30 to 7:30 at the Cobblestone Inn in Rugby. Jim Olson, KX News.